Hello, my name is Mavis Aroma. I'm a student of University of Nigeria Nsukka 400 level. I'm studying theatre and film studies, combining it with English. Yeah, it's called Combine Act here. The reason why I actually took the decision to study both courses is that one, I'm in love with poetry. At the same time, I'm in love with being a performer. Like anything that has to do with acting, writing, dancing, just anything that has to do with entertainment. The English department helped me to actually the English department helped me to improve better, learn more, know how to actually use my tenses and my grammar when creating my work, such as my scripting and also my poetry. While the Department of Theatre and Film Studies gives me the platform to express myself practically. Like, it's a whole new world of magic, trust me. That's the department you want to be in. And yeah, not so... alright. Okay. Well, I've not really achieved anything yet, but I'm building and working on myself. Just some practicals in the department, and maybe when there's an outside show like Youth to Youth Flagship, an empowerment program, we go there for performance, and I'm actually invited to perform my spoken words and my acting. And a lot of people have actually told me that they love it. So that gives me hope for the future, that when I leave here, I could become something great and contribute my own quota to the society. Thank you.